Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. We had numerous of Wish Wednesdays on this channel. Not aware of when we started that, maybe a year or two ago, maybe. So we had many. Every Wednesday we have songs from you guys. You comment and want to learn your favorite song, and I bring them up here for you on Wednesday. So it's time to highlight Rilès or Rilès, and this song called No Regrets. And it's you, Xav, XAV, you wished for this No Regrets song. So this is special for you. I know the fan base is huge behind Rilès. So let's go into this song. We have the capo set on the 6th position. That's the absolute best scenario for us. We have a couple chords to start with. This is basically a melody heavy song, but we will also combine that with some easy strumming. So we have to go for chords first. We will start with A minor. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor next. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B. You can also add a third B if you want to, and then third E. Then we have the E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We also got the E7, so what you do from the E chord, you just lift off this second fret D string, make that open. Everything else stays the same there, and that is the E7 chord. Then we have the F chord. That's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord we need to know is the C. And C goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We'll come to the strumming later, and first we want to learn the main thing, and that is the melody. So I'm gonna take you through this chord by chord. We have two halves of it, so we're gonna start with the first half. It's based upon A minor, D minor, G, and E. So we'll start with the A minor part. It goes like this. So hold the chord as it is and play open A, second D, second G, first B. Then second D, second G, and back to second D. Next is the the D minor part, and this is a little bit different. It goes like this. So you play the open D, and then you hammer on to get the third D. Okay, so you don't have to pick that third D, you just hammer on. You don't have to pick it with your picking hand. So and then you continue with second G, third B, second G, then open D, and back to second G. So the grip looks like this. Third D, second G, and third B. That is what you're aiming for. Next is the G part. It goes like this. Okay, so that is to hold just the third fret on E string. That's enough. For this melody part, you're gonna play third E, open D, open G, open B, back to open G, open D, and then you have a shift to the 1st fret E string. That's a transition note there. And that is the G part. And then comes the E, and I suggest you hold the chord as it is, and you play basically down and then back up again. So it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, back to 1st G, 2nd D, and 2nd A. Okay? And that is the first half. So I'm going to take you through this very slowly, and yeah, let's start from A minor. Okay, then we'll move on with the F part. That is the second half now. So we're gonna play. Okay, so you can hold the chord as it if you want to. You don't have to really hold the full bar. It's enough to just hold the 1st fret E string. If you think that is easier, then hold all the fingers like this. You don't have to bar everything, just the 1st fret E. You're gonna play 1st E, then 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, and then 1st E and open E. Okay, so that's the F part. You have a short little part, pause there after the 2nd G saw. After this, a short pause, okay, and then yeah, the final 2 notes there. Over now to the D minor part, and this is played exactly in the same way as the first half, so we know that by now. Then you shift to G, and you play this. So that is to play again, just hold 3rd fret E string and play that. And then open D, open G, open B, then back to 3rd E, then open A, and 2nd A. Then over to the C parts. The last 2 chords, C and E7, they are half as long as the other chords, okay? And you will notice that later when we play this strumming. So C, you just hold the chord as it is, and just roll down. So that means you play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B. That's it. And then you go to E7 and roll down from the A string. So you're gonna play 2nd A, open D, 1st G, and open B. And that's the final note of this melody. So I'm gonna take you through this again. The second part now, starting from F, very slowly. It goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. Now, I'm going to take you through one round slowly and then one full round in standard tempo. Let's go. And so on. Right, beautiful melody right there, and that is the meat and potato of this song. Now we can also switch into strumming, and then we have to learn that pattern. So let's go back to the A minor. That's the first chord, and this strumming is about 2 different parts. So one full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part is down, down, up. And the second part is clap, up, down, up. So if we put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. a couple of rounds. So you're gonna play one full strumming round, both part 1 and part 2, for all of these chords, all the way till it comes to the last 2 chords, which will be the C and the E7. When you play the C and E7, you just play part 1 for each of these 2 chords. So C part 1 and E7 part 1. So one full round of all other chords, you just roll that through entire song and play C part 1, E7 part 1. Let's go for one whole round, and it goes like this. That, my friends, is how I handle No Regrets from Rilès. So XAV, thank you for being here on this channel and highlighting this song. I haven't heard this before, so yeah, it was nice to do this for you and for all you guys out there. If you want to support me, to give me something back, then you know how. You subscribe to this channel, you like this tutorial if you in fact did like it, and you will be back here for next upload. Alright guys, hope to see you soon, and until next time, play tuned.